So, as I'm driving back from one of my projects, it'd be a good time to do a little review on the sunglasses that I've been using to and from projects, the office, whenever I'm driving. I have them kept in my car, and they are these. And these are called the Marvin. What I'll do, I'll put a link to Gents Eyewear in the description box below. They do a fair few options, but these are the ones that they sent me purely because I'd said I do a lot of driving in bright weather, or when the weather's kind of not too great like it is today. I need some sunglasses that are quite dark and that are like that have that anti-glare. So these ones are made of wood. It's pretty cool. Not only do you get the glasses, but you get a cool little bag like that. It's pretty cool. And they just sent me like a little screwdriver just to tighten up the hinges, you know, if they ever get loose. But so far, and I've been using these for about 2 months now, not just in the car, like driving, but when I'm fishing. And because it's got that anti-glare coating in the lens, I can actually see through water and I can see the fish. There's not too much to say about them. They're clean, they're decent, they do the job. They help with eye strain, especially when driving long distances. Now I've got a 2.5 hour drive and I will be wearing these. It's quite overcast, but it's still bright out. From Gents Eyewear, I'll put a link to their website below. Go check them out. And as you see, they're a timber frame. Absolutely fantastic. Not much more to say than they're great glasses. I do use them a fair bit, and that's it. Thanks for watching the review video on these sunglasses. It's pretty decent. I like them. I enjoy them. All right. Thank you so much.